In this video, I introduce a app that help you to build any app without any coding. So let's start. When you open this app, you look like this. You have to register yourself. Therefore, click create account. After that, you have to fill all of this. You have to type email ID, password, and your full name, your age, and you have to choose your gender. Then click create account. After it takes some time, after that look like this. You have to verify your email ID. Therefore, click send verification. When it done, check your Gmail. mobeasy send you a email. Open this email and click active account. After that, again click active my account now. After that, simply click home button and enter mobeasy app. Then click done. Now all process is complete. Now have to build app. Therefore click this plus icon. Upload your app icon. For example, I choose this image. Type your app name. You can change your package name. There, for example, I type example. You can change font style. After that is optional. You can choose or not. Then click here. After that, you can change primary color, accent color. Now I can't choose anything, therefore I click here. After that, you have to choose which ad you want to show, Facebook ads or ad mood ads on your app. Now I didn't choose any apps, so I click right icon. After that, you get on this page. Simply click don't show again, because I tell you all about this now. Click exit. You can see already have an app. You can add many page on this app, or you can edit this app now. So to add page, click add page, or to edit app, click this icon. After that, click here plus icon to add anything. So now I have to add app door. So I click app door. Now I have to type title. Then have to select icon. Here I have many icon. You can choose anything, anyone. So now I choose randomly this icon. Then you have to choose on click action. That means when anyone click on this button, what this app show. You can choose all of this, any option. Under all of this, I choose this. I choose open web view. So therefore I have to type my web address. I just simply paste my email ad, block address, web address, then click write. So now you can see already here this app make a appware. If I click here, you can see this button. If I click here, you can see it's work. So you can see our block here. So now you can add many things here. From there you can add image or video, button, many things. For example, I show you how to add button. So I click button. Now I have to type button title. Now I have to choose button color. Which color I want on my button. On my button means on this button. So I choose blue, deep blue. So after that you choose any option and then choose icon. I choose any on icon randomly from all of this. So then click write. So I didn't type on click action, therefore they mean this app show me to do that. So I choose open URL by external app. So therefore I have to type URL. Simply I paste my insta handle URL. So is complete, click write. So you can see this button which we made this work. When I click, you can see open our insta handle. So that's work. So you can see how much easy to make any apps on this app. So you can do lots of thing here. When you complete your app, simply click this yellow right button, then your app is complete. Simply click back. After complete your app, simply click this aeroplane icon to public your app. So now I didn't make any app, I just show you, so therefore I didn't public this. So I click back. So that's you easily install it from Play Store. You can see. So that's all. Bye bye all friends.